What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 14th. Happy Monday. So let's go ahead and go over the overall market first. Let's pull up the SPY. So if you saw SPY today, it actually opened up and was taken off, but let me make that a full screen. And then it kind of tanked, right? So maybe something came out or whatever the case was, but it definitely tanked. So if you look at the daily chart for today, and let's see what we got, right? Yeah, so, and I kind of talked about this a few days ago where, we saw this red day, and then I mentioned like we might see a couple of green days, one green day and then a red day. So I think we're gonna go in this little red, and then I think tomorrow might be another red day, a small red day before we see another green one, or we could see a small green day tomorrow, but it depends on how we close today. So let's see how that goes. So other than that, I was watching, let's see here. I was watching ANPC, but I wasn't going to trade because that's on my do not trade list. And at the time it was expensive as well. ANPC is just very choppy. VERU I was watching, but it was too expensive for me. SYBX I was watching, but it dumped. SCKT I was watching. So, but the stocks that I traded today was ITRM, REPH, MARA, and CREX. And these are the ones that came up on the scanner today. But this stock actually did very well today, BCDA. So if we pull this up, it did very well today. It came out of nowhere. So, but it's a choppy stock. Even at this 550 spot I was watching, it literally skipped and came back down. So, you definitely had to hold through a loss and whatnot and have the position go against you. But I don't like doing that. And I can tell the stock is kind of whippy. But I think a better entry for the risk to reward would have been around this area for the break of 462 here. And then you can sell around 480. So that was a good risk to reward. So yes, but I didn't take any trades on this just because it was whippy for me. And then CREX I had a trade on, which was around the break of 145, and I got a couple cents scalp out of this. So that was good, which is over here. Let's see, 145 out of 147. I tried to get in 150 again, but that one failed. But I only took 250 shares, so it was whatever. REPH, that one I can show you real quick. That one I got a scalp literally at the high of day right here. There was a seller, right, at 427 break, and it sold a few cents later. And then from there it dumped. So that was because the daily chart wasn't looking that good around that area. So if you see 427 right here and out of 430, I had a couple other trades around 422s sometime before. So MARA, that one had a good move as well, which was around the area. Let's see, MARA I got in at 562, got out at 568. So if we pull that up real quick, it was around this area right here. Right, you see there's some resistance here, and from there I got out around this area right here. So this one was a bit risky just because it came from, obviously the first thing, right, it had 3 green candles in a row, right? So that's already risky. So I was looking for this to get rejected and then go, but level 2 was looking strong, so that's why I got in and made 5-6 cents, and I sold. But look what happened from 573 all the way back down to 553. And you can expect that if the stock is coming from 550s and going all the way to 570s with no pullback, especially on a stock like MARA and few green candles in a row. So that's why you have to be cautious. So and then what else? Right, ITRM was good. I missed out on that. For some reason, I only took less shares, so I got to make a hotkey for these stocks that are like less than $1, so I can buy like 4,000 shares and whatnot. So Other than that, today was a green day. I'm up $173. So not bad. Like I said, SPY was tanking, so I mean I'm green on the day, so I'm good. I'm chilling. So, but let's see how tomorrow comes. Hopefully this week we get good momentum and finish this week strong. And make sure to also watch my other video, guys. I posted a video over the weekend. I think the points I make there are very strong. It's gonna help you trade better. So definitely make sure you watch that video. So here, let me see if I can pull it up maybe real quick. Hold on one second. Let me pull it up. Let me find it here. So let me get the link. And the link is going to be right here. Okay, so yeah, make sure you watch this video. And I talk about how day traders lose money. And it's all the points, again, all the points I make there, those points have helped me. So I'm only sharing the points that helped me and hopefully they help you. So I would watch the entire video if you have time. Yeah, that's the only thing I want to share at the end. Other than that, that's it from me, and I will see you guys tomorrow.